Welcome back to CarWow 787, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, upcoming models, and deep dives into the future of automotive excellence. If you're a true car enthusiast who loves innovation mixed with performance and style, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're exploring a compact SUV that's ready to shake the segment, the 2026 Mazda CX-30. Mazda has always been known for its perfect blend of design, driving pleasure and everyday practicality. And with the 2026 Mazda CX-30, they've elevated that philosophy to a whole new level. This model represents the next generation of compact crossovers, combining premium craftsmanship, improved efficiency, and an even more dynamic driving experience. At first glance, the 2026 CX-30 immediately captures attention with its sleek, flowing design inspired by Mazda's Kona philosophy, the soul of motion. The updated front fascia looks sharper, more mature, and more aggressive than ever before. A redesigned grille with chrome detailing, slimmer LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic bumper give the car a refined yet athletic look. From the side, the sculpted body lines and bold wheel arches highlight its muscular stance, while the rear profile features updated LED taillights and a subtle spoiler for that sporty finishing touch. Mazda has also introduced new color options for 2026, including a vibrant solar yellow and a deep soul crystal blue, giving buyers more personality in their compact SUV. The new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, further enhance its premium appeal. Let's talk interior. Step inside, and the Mazda CX-30 2026 takes luxury to the next level. The cabin feels like something from a much higher segment: refined materials, soft touch surfaces, and a minimalist layout that keeps the focus on the driver. Mazda's attention to detail is evident in every element, from the stitching on the seats to the chrome accents around the air vents. The new 12.3-inch infotainment display now offers a fully digital interface with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mazda's improved user interface for smoother operation. The instrument cluster has also gone digital, giving drivers customizable views for navigation, performance, and safety data. The sound system, powered by Bose, provides crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. Meanwhile, features like wireless charging, ambient lighting, and dual-zone climate control add even more comfort and convenience. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 continues to impress. Mazda offers multiple engine options, including the refined 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, producing 191 horsepower, and the new hybrid variant combining a 2.0-liter petrol engine with electric assistance for improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. There's also talk of a mild hybrid e-Skyactiv version that enhances throttle response while keeping efficiency in check. For those seeking a bit more thrill, Mazda has tuned the suspension and steering for a sportier drive. The updated chassis balance makes cornering sharp yet composed, and even on rough terrain, the ride remains comfortable and confident. The all-wheel drive system, paired with Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus, provides excellent stability and control, ensuring the CX-30 feels planted in any driving condition. Whether its city streets are winding, highways. Safety has also been a top priority for Mazda. The 2026 CX-30 comes loaded with iActive Sense safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. A new 360-degree camera system with parking sensors makes maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Mazda's engineers have made sure this SUV not only performs beautifully, but also keeps you and your passengers protected. In terms of practicality, the CX-30 2026 offers a surprisingly roomy interior despite its compact size. The rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom, while the cargo area is generous enough to handle everyday needs, groceries, luggage, or weekend adventures. The split folding seats add flexibility, allowing for easy expansion of cargo space when required. Mazda has also worked on improving the car's efficiency and environmental performance. The hybrid variants offer excellent fuel economy, and thanks to lightweight materials and aerodynamic design, the 2026 CX-30 manages to deliver both performance and sustainability. Now let's talk about pricing and positioning. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is expected to start around $28,000 for the base trim, while higher-end variants with hybrid powertrains and luxury packages could reach up to $38,000. That places it right in the sweet spot between affordable compact SUVs and premium competitors like the Audi Q3 and BMW X1. With the level of quality and performance Mazda delivers, this pricing makes it a highly competitive choice for anyone seeking both value and luxury. What truly sets the Mazda CX-30 2026 apart is how it feels to drive. Many compact SUVs feel practical but uninspiring. The CX-30, on the other hand, gives you that driver's car experience Mazda is famous for. The steering feedback is precise, acceleration is smooth, and the overall ride feels connected to the road. It's a car that makes even a daily commute enjoyable, blending fun and refinement effortlessly. Mazda has also hinted at introducing advanced connectivity features in this model, including remote vehicle monitoring, over-the-air software updates, and integration with smart home systems. The combination of performance, technology, and elegance makes this SUV one of the most complete offerings in its category for 2026. In essence, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It redefines what a compact SUV can be, offering premium design, exceptional driving dynamics, and cutting-edge technology in one stylish package. Whether you're a longtime Mazda fan or someone looking to upgrade from an older crossover, this model will surely exceed expectations. Before we wrap up, here's a quick summary. Stunning new design, luxurious and intelligent interior, hybrid and petrol options for all kinds of drivers, improved driving dynamics, and top-tier safety and tech. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a premium SUV experience. And that's it for today's deep dive into the Mazda CX-30 2026. If you loved this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what your favorite feature of this car is. And tell us what car you want to see next on CarWow 787.